Alright, what's up, Moist fam? You guys been waiting for this video, dude?
Moist Nation!
Fire, dude! Anyways, on today's episode, Colby is our cameraman like once a week because he's absolute shit.
Camera bitch.
And today, we're gonna see if he can figure out, he knows nothing about cars, just absolutely does not know how to wrench.
He has no knowledge whatsoever about anything. I've been in class with this guy.
Okay, so we got Adam's Nardi, his cup holder, his Broadway mirror, and then we're gonna grab a shift knob from inside. We're gonna give Colby all the tools he needs to figure it out, but we're not gonna tell him how to do it whatsoever.
If you don't do it within 6 hours, I get to punch you in the dick.
These are like the easiest things you can do.
Clip me, man.
Like these aren't fucking mods, this is literally just like, but we'll see if you can figure it out.
Well, you don't mind me breaking off this fucking steering wheel and slamming this one back on.
Jesus, man. I'm kind of regretting this video now.
Okay, so we have everything laid out on the grass, which he's gonna be installing. So Adam's Nardi, a shift knob, a drift button, the adapter, the Broadway mirror, horn button, air freshener, and cup holder. And then we have his tools, ratchet, Phillips screwdriver, 19mm socket, and an extension. So I guess start with the steering wheel?
No, he decides what.
Yeah, you get the pick, you get the pick.
Do the easy shit first.
Alright, dude. Alright, so what's your plan of attack here? Oh yeah, he's unscrewing it. Don't tell him anything though, eh?
I'm not telling him shit, you're telling him shit.
Yeah, fuck.
There's definitely dildos, man.
Stop, man. Respect the merge. Okay, he's one for one.
Alright.
So far. What's the next one? I'll grab for you. What do you want?
What do you want to do next?
Dude.
What are you doing next? The steering wheel? You want to do steering wheel?
Steering wheel?
We're learning, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, pass me the fucking screwdriver, buddy.
Oh my god, man.
The aggression, eh?
Yeah, can we have some lemon auto break? Not feeling right.
We should have done it where Colby can have like one question.
No, he gets to call one person,
Yeah.
look up one thing, and ask us one question.
Yeah, okay.
I get
Like fucking that taxi one.
Yeah.
Game show taxi?
Cash
Yeah.
cab?
Cash cab.
Except Colby wins fucking nothing.
Yeah.
What do I win?
Nothing.
Our forgiveness for you coming fucking late.
The free merch?
No, you already take enough merch.
I buy all my shit.
Alright, Colby.
Is it even the right screwdriver, man?
Yeah. What's your plan of attack?
Should I just wrench it off like this?
What? No.
Oh my god, man.
What do you might want to use one of his lifelines here, hey?
Yeah, you wanna use one of them?
Dude, this is not the right fucking hole.
So if you're stuck, you have those three options.
You have
still.
your lifelines, brother.
Are these the right holes?
Are you gonna use a lifeline?
That's my question.
Which one? Ask us, call a friend, or look something up. Which one are you gonna use? You only get 3.
Are you my friend here?
No.
Fuck, okay, so you ask a question. These the right holes?
No.
That was such a poorly worded question, because that's all you get to ask.
Alright, there's one of your lifelines down, and you can just call a friend or look something up, brother.
Wait,
And when you look something up, you only get 20 seconds on your phone. After you've hit search.
I get a minute.
A minute?
A minute, okay.
Okay, fine.
What are you doing, man?
Don't say that, because now he knows he's not supposed to wrench it off.
Man, how do you get that out? I put the new one in.
Alright, come on, get something done.
He's using his second lifeline already.
Alright, 30 seconds in.
Buddy's on the phone, 56 seconds left. Oh, he's on YouTube. Oh, he got an ad. 46 seconds.
Oh, maybe, okay. Yeah.
Oh, 2 ads.
40
39 seconds.
No, fire.
Oh, you skipped too far ahead. No. 20 seconds. What? He totally he skipped the step Colby needs in this video. 4, 3, 2, 1.
This shit video. I just popped off, eh? Is it this that comes off?
Okay, watch the fucking steering wheel.
Oh, there we go, buddy. Oh, that's
Alright, now what's your next step? What are you gonna do?
It's a lemonade and a wrench.
Oh, he's really going for it, eh? fire ass mods, dude.
Dude,
the fucking builder over here.
Do you need the fucking extendo?
I don't know, it's up to you.
Oh, I guess you don't.
Ooh.
No maneuver.
Put some fucking muscle into it, man. There you go.
Let's get dome like steering on that.
100%. That's that technique, man.
Yeah, that's clean.
That's a clean technique. Man, you must have unscrew this shit.
No. Dude, stop telling him what to do. Well, he's gonna start taking apart the steering wheel and then we're gonna have to put it back together. No, Cody, you don't need to unscrew anything else. Except for you might need to disconnect the piece that's hanging.
What?
Don't tell him, man.
Oh, fucking beefcake sake.
Defeats the purpose of the video. You're pretty shit, man.
Should I just yank it? How do you get this thing off?
Figure it out, man.
Can you do it with the steering wheel lock on now?
Yeah. Think about it, man. This is facing towards you, so if you want to get it off, you should probably pull towards you.
Obviously.
Yeah, well,
but
do something about it.
You have to turn it, not just break it?
No. Oh my god, man.
Man, that's pretty tight, man.
Okay, you want to use your call a friend lifeline?
Who am I calling? I don't have any friends.
FaceTime Ben if he answers. Do you want to use it or no?
No.
Your last lifeline.
What else do I have to do?
Dude, figure it out. It's not that hard.
Man, why is this shit not coming off?
You gotta be a man. Holy shit, not that much, dude.
Yeah.
Fucking breaks him.
Yeah, I might break Adam's car, man.
Well, you're getting close.
Oh,
yeah,
you're
that's a step in the right direction.
Caveman.
Man, shit's not even fucking moving, man. There's no way she's coming off.
Okay, beef boy, let's get her going.
How do you do it?
Great.
Oh my god, man. Okay, where's the Nardi? You wanna grab it, Adam?
Yeah.
Okay, well, good luck with this, man.
Did the horn button too?
You don't need that yet.
Yeah, you do that after.
Oh, there's a little end in it. Let's just slide on.
Figure it out. Alright, that's not in all the way, is it?
That's not in.
Man, I don't know about you, but I think she's in there.
Yeah, I think he's right. Alright, off to a pretty shit start, but you can still make a comeback.
One lifeline left. Will he use it on the cup holder? Probably.
Probably will.
On the air freshener?
Fuck!
Oh, he's already way better at you than you now.
How tight do you want this?
Well, I'd prefer that it didn't come off while I'm driving.
Wow, that's sick.
Yeah.
Alright, horn button.
Where is she?
Did you grab it, Adam? Dude, he's definitely gonna fuck this one up.
Oh, no doubt. If he scratches my Nardi, I swear to God. Okay, Colby, these are very sharp edges. Don't scratch the black part of the steering wheel.
Yeah, give it a look. Come on.
Look at the mechanism. What are you thinking?
Thinking you're gonna want her on like that.
I'm thinking so too, but watch the black paint.
Not sure that goes on there.
Well, what do you think, man?
Pretty obvious it goes on there.
Oh, she clicked. Do you see the power through?
What do you think?
I think that might be the case, but I don't want to fuck out of shit.
You kind of got it figured out.
Oh, the last thing you also have to figure out how to do is like vacuum the car.
No.
Maybe give it a wipe down with some Windex. That one's pretty hard though.
Just gonna send her in?
Dude, you've been at this for way too long.
Should I just push it in?
How come the horn doesn't work, Colby? Riddle me that.
I don't know, man.
I don't know either.
They never work, man.
Yeah, I know.
You ain't getting no power out of that one.
Okay, are you leaving it like that? Going to the next or what?
I mean, should I just bash it in?
Probably not.
Why not? How valuable are these pieces to you right now?
That's probably $100 right there. So how valuable is it to you here? He's gonna have to call a friend.
I think you're gonna have to call a friend.
You need to use the last lifeline, eh?
Can I substitute the friend for another video?
No.
I don't think we're gonna find a video on that.
See, while I'm over it, it works.
Okay, well he's leaving it like that. Alright.
What?
Fucking not a fire ass mod.
What do you want next?
It's pretty fire, I don't know. It's like then like multiple people can honk at people.
Okay, what next, man?
What is there to do?
You gotta do the mirror, the fucking air freshener, the drift
Well,
button.
where is that?
What?
What do you want to do? Say it and Adam will grab it.
It's got the mirror. Oh, it just smells good, man.
I know, available at www.moistboys.co soon.
It's like dishwasher soap and lemon and like fucking watermelon.
Okay.
Alright, dude, install it, man. Wow.
Wow.
Surprised you could do that, eh?
Yeah, off camera though, he did use his last lifeline to call and figure out how to do that.
This can't be difficult. Man, she better be fucking fit.
Jesus. Alright.
She's mint. Holy fuck, that's wide.
Is that everything? I don't know, the cup holder.
Cup holder and drift button. What do you want next?
Let's go with Sammy though. See what I'm feeling.
What? He's actually gonna break my vents.
Oh, 100%. Well, you just gave that away.
No, he doesn't know what the vents are, man. But he's vents within the wall.
Where is it? Yeah, what vent do you want it in now?
He's going for the drift button. Also available at moistboys.co.
Installed.
Holy shit.
Ooh, something's cracking over here, man.
Fuck beef boys.
Man. Filaments aren't looking too good on this.
Holy crap, he's putting his whole body weight in.
Jesus.
Oh, what am I sitting on?
No!
Some two.
What am I sitting on?
Man, this kind of shit.
Oh, this is gonna... I don't know about this,
I
man.
really don't want him to break my vents.
Man, you can buy new ones off fucking AliExpress.
Jesus. Look at that fucking sick install. Almost as good as the one.
You're leaving it like that.
That's installed.
That's done?
That's it, beef boy?
That's on there, man.
Are you sure?
You're not getting any lemonade.
It's not coming off.
Yeah, dude, that's sick to put your beverage in, right?
It is kind of sick.
Okay, so you have 3 half-installed things here.
You didn't finish
Half
anything.
a horn button, half a drift button, half a cup holder.
No, dude.
Yeah, that's the only thing that's fully installed.
Alright, here, step aside, man.
No, just
You're done.
Tell me.
Are we giving up on beef?
Tell me.
Okay, you kind of gotta like wiggle it on.
Man, you got some fucking gunk in there, man. It's looking a little fucking dirty.
Hinges.
Man, this shit's installed.
Okay.
Dude, we got like 50% of it done.
There's shit not going on.
Boys are lying to me?
What even saying? Why is this so beefed?
Ah, brotherly love.
It's a beautiful thing.
Oh.
Is it on there, beef boy?
I don't know if that's on there, man.
Yeah, it is, because look, when you go like this.
Wow.
Available at moistboys.co.
Wow. Mods.
Soon.
Fire ass mods. Alright, Colby, how do you think you did?
Dude, I think I did like 9 out of 10. This is the only thing that's not done.
Well,
Yeah, you
you
really
also
fucking blew
didn't
that
do
one.
the drift button or
You
the cup
didn't
holder
finish
fully
installing this.
It is finished, look at that.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
Adam
'cause I
came in
did.
here off camera and fucking did it.
If it's not
This,
on
I don't
camera,
even know. This is like somehow half in, half not. You didn't get that. The only thing you did was this.
look at the mirror. Air freshener.
Wow. Fire, dude. Okay, look, this is how you do this. Look, all you do is these 2 sharp ones go in first. And you push up.
Oh, dude, is that a coupe? What's up, loser? That shit's fire, man. Fire. Is that your car? Man, you look like you're in heaven. There's a car behind you, dude.
What? What do you think about that exhaust?
That exhaust.
What do you think about that?
That wing is not looking fire.
Oh, rough. Tough crowd, tough
Man,
crowd.
the license plate fitment, not fire.
Is it a Sylvia, bro?
Get the fuck out of here, man.
Fuck off, Nelson.
Here, Adam, look, I got it in.
Wow, Kobe Beef, you really killed it.
Yeah, it doesn't actually work though. What am I saying?
What would you rate the install, dude?
What do you rate the mods?
Solid like 7.5 out of 10.
Scale of 1 to fire, dude. How fire?
Fire! Here's what it is.
You feel like you learned something today, man?
Yeah, these guys are pretty heinous.
It's the negativity.
Nah.
What are you doing, man?
No
Man,
no
scratch my
negativity.
shit.
No negativity.
You think
It's looking a lot more fire nowadays.
I would say so. Give
Fuck
some
it.
Moist Fam sign up.
Fuck you, dude.
Salute the Moist Fam. Tell them to subscribe. Come on.
Look into the camera, dude. You gotta
Dude,
own
you're
it.
so bad at everything.
Come on. Wait, Colby,
Do
are
it,
you
man.
gonna be a better
people.
cameraman in the future?
Fuck no.
Fuck this guy, dude. Not fire at all.
Dude, actually.
Fuck you, dude. Sign it off.
Didn't you see how me and Noah went off on Bob? That
Alright, Moist Fam, stay moist!
was pretty good.
Like, share, and subscribe. Fucking say it, dude.
They don't need to be doing that, man.
They do.
Your
Fuck you,
videos
dude.
are
Fuck
shit!
you, Say it, man.
Holy shit, man.
Like, share, subscribe, stay moist.
Blow them a kiss.
Do it. That's fire.
Nice.
That was so
Fire.
fire, dude.
What was that, Colby?
Moving forward.
What?
Just keep
You
moving
need to say it to
forward.
the camera. Let them know. Let them know what to do.
Just keep moving forward.
Fuck,
That
dude.
is so fire.
Oh yeah. Are you stuck?